What's up, XRP family? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. How are you guys? Today we talk about XRP. There is a lot to talk about, guys. As always, on this channel, you will find me talking about facts. Fact after fact, okay? I'm not talking about any bullshit. As you may know, I'm collecting relevant articles that I think are connected to the XRP ecosystem. Now let's take a look, because I found something so interesting, guys, and I want you to look at it. If you're an XRP holder, or even if you're not, I just want you to check this, guys. I found something very interesting, and it's called Atlantic Console CBDC Tracker. Now before we get into this, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This will help me a lot to keep going and making amazing content for you guys. So that would be a huge favor for me. Thank you so much. Now let's dig in. Atlantic Console CBDC Tracker. Guys, this is a live map of CBDCs that are currently being developed, launched, inactive, or being researched and also launched. Now this is huge, guys. I want you to go look at this website. You can see the URL here and go look, take a look, guys. This is amazing. Now, as we know, China is running a pilot. And to be honest, I didn't know that the CBDCs were so far ahead, because as you can see here, Blue is under development. So they're developing the CBDC and they're not testing it yet. Here we have Canada, development. We have Brazil, development. We have Venezuela, development. We have research, United States of America. We have Euro area, research. We have Kazakhstan doing research. Now guys, this is just so huge. These are countries that are literally developing a CBDC, a central bank digital currency. For those who do not know what is a CBDC, I will not be able to cover it in this video, but here you can read all about CBDCs, guys. It's just a digital form of a country's fiat currency that is also a claim on the central bank. Instead of printing money, the central bank issues electronic coins or account backed by the full faith and credit of the government. Now guys, as we know, XRP is ready. XRP is ready and waiting. Now, there's one thing. It says here that there is one launched. I cannot find the country where the green, bluish is showing. So currently I can just see the development countries, the research, the inactive. I cannot see the launched one, but I think, guys, it's very soon. Maybe in the coming 5 years, everything will be this color. It will be launched. So this is very exciting, guys. Very exciting news. And now I want to talk about another big thing, which is Ripple will probably go public after the SEC lawsuit. Now we know that the SEC lawsuit is almost finished. SEC is on the ground, they're bleeding, they do not have anything, and Ripple made its official legal victory recently, and Ripple is winning, guys. Now no one thinks that SEC can come back from this, and it's very clear to us that Ripple already won. Who doesn't see that is just a hater, or he doesn't want to see that. It's very simple. And now we have SBI Group CEO Yoshitaka Kitao believes that Ripple will go public after the SEC lawsuit. Guys, if Ripple goes public, be ready. As I said, it's almost time. You're almost too late. This is the best moment to invest, and this is not financial advice. But XRP is on the brink of going so high, guys, because if Ripple goes public, you will see another XRP, which is maybe 3 digits. After the current lawsuit, Ripple will go public. Chris wants to do that. In the next 12 months, you'll see IPOs in the crypto blockchain space. We're not going to be the first and we're not going to be the last, but I expect us to be on the leading side. It's a natural evolution for our company. This is said by Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse, guys. Now these guys know what's coming. They have all of this planned out, guys. I want you to take a look at this video.
You want to take one? Go for it. The first one's for you. IMF. Do you see IMF holding crypto assets in the future? I did not put that up there.
Remember, I'm from the legal department. I'm supposed to be very conservative about these things. I don't want to go into great details about
Maybe I should take what the IMF is going to do.
Guys, you can see, it's very clear. Brett Garlinghouse is laughing. IMF is going to use XRP, and you're still worrying about the SEC case? The smart investor knows it's just part of the plan. How many people sold their XRP weeks ago? Many people wrote, I am done with XRP. It's a security and dead. Guys, they are all doing this on purpose because XRP is the #1 currency. And I can tell you now because I have already seen it, guys. It just has to happen. Only 0.01% will create a generation wealth. You have to understand that. Now let's take a look at this video,
involved
guys.
in the transaction. And so it's very interesting to see how this will shape up between sovereign created currencies and privately created currencies. And you'll get back into the old arguments. It's useful to look at monetary history between Robert Mundell and Milton Friedman, and looking at Frederick Hayek, who predicted decades ago that you would have private currencies that would compete and provide a better product than sovereign provided currencies.
Wow.
He's involved in the...
Guys, can you see that? Predict. It's not predicting. This is planned. They know that this was coming, guys. And we know that the financial system is so old. Everyone knows that the financial system is old. We need something else. And that's why I showed you the map, guys. They are building CBDCs. The money is dying. It's not gonna be there in a couple of years. You cannot get your cash anymore. You have to have digital coins. Crypto catches on for remittance payments. Crypto remittances are generally cheaper and faster than traditional options. Everyone knows that now. If you're still sleeping, guys, you're gonna miss out on this. This is one of the biggest opportunity in human history to make money. Like, not just make money, invest in something that will change the whole world. It's not just having money and making money, buying SafeMoon or Dogecoin and making it 10 times on your investment. We're not talking about that. We're talking about investing in something that will change the history of the whole financial system. Now, do you want to be part of that, or do you want to be part of making it 10 times on your investment and that's it? That's the big question, guys. Because cryptocurrencies today are just for speculation. People are buying it for speculation. They want more money. And I understand that. A lot of people do that. And there is nothing wrong with buying Dogecoin or SafeMoon. But guys, you have to understand that it's way more efficient to put your money in something that will change the world. There is an opportunity for that. Ubreeze supports universities around the world. Take a look at this, guys. Look at the companies that are involved with Ripple. Anulaw, Penn, TU Delft, VGV, Korea University, UCL. Guys, Ripple is huge. And why do you think they are giving education on blockchain? They want people to start knowing that it's upcoming, that it's the future, so people will invest in it. Not in XRP particular, but they will start knowing about blockchain. At one point, you want people to use digital payments. It's good for Ripple. That's what they're doing here. 35 plus universities across 15 countries This is just something that Ripple is doing on the side. Now you can see Ripple is not just a small company that has XRP as a transaction money using XRP and that's it. No, guys, they're doing much more things. You're talking about a very big fintech company, guys. You have to really understand that if they go live, if they go public, XRP is gonna be 3 digits at least. SEC Enforcement Director resigns after 6 days. What happened here? Now you can clearly see that there is things going wrong at the SEC. Here, Alex O named SEC Director of Enforcement. That was on 22 April. And then 6 days later, she resigned. Now no one knows what's going on, but it's very weird. And we know that the lawsuit is going on. It has to do with each other. As I said, guys, it's all planned and there is a big show going on. And you can see the SEC does not have its shit together. And that's very clear to me. Now let's take a look at this guy who is making fun of XRP and actually showing that a lot of people actually do not believe in XRP and they think it's a meme coin or something.
Should I buy Dogecoin? I'm like, no, you shouldn't buy Dogecoin. You should sell Dogecoin probably now that it's gone up to 42 cents. But there's a lot of uneducated investors that feel the energy of this moment and want to participate. Like, I think Bitcoin is a core part of your portfolio. It's got a purpose. It's going to be around for a long period of time. Every institution I know is buying some. It's basically digital gold. Ethereum is most likely the winner of the decentralized supercomputer that powers all these new businesses, all these new ecosystems. But it might not be the winner, right? I also invested in a thing called Definity, which is going to launch in about a week. They want to be participant in that. Solana, like I talked about, Terra, there's all these other ecosystems like Ethereum trying for the same thing. Then there's DeFi. These DeFi coins trade like equities. In some ways, they have a dividend. You can think of it like a dividend. The more use they get, the more business money they're gonna make. The higher the token's gonna go up. And so I look at those three buckets and say, if you're not in that bucket, you're literally like a Ponzi game. And so Litecoin, BSV, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, whatever that the other Bitcoin.
Right, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch.
XRP. Those are all baloney coins, and doesn't mean you can't make money in them, because every once in a while the market gets hot and people are like, oh, that hasn't moved yet, let me buy it, and you pull your friends in. It's a little bit like it's a little bit like that GameStop. They're meme.
So he thinks XRP is a meme coin. Now guys, look at the company that's running XRP, and this guy want to tell you that XRP is a meme coin? Seriously? A company which is working with more than 100 banks, and he's talking about a meme coin. Now guys, you can see that people are really uneducated in this space. They are really uneducated, guys. Don't be like them. Educate yourself. Go to the website of Ripple. Read what they're doing. See their partnerships. That's what you should do when you invest in a cryptocurrency, actually. You should look at the partners, at what they're doing, at the market cap, everything. Now, this guy is clearly very stupid because he's not doing any of those things. Now, thank you for watching, guys. This was the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Cheers.